Checking and adjusting the rotor gap on Master and Remington Kerosene forced air heaters is easy and should be a part of your annual maintenance on your unit. Please read the owner's manual and all warnings prior to performing any maintenance on your heater. Do not use power tools to complete any step of this process to decrease the chance of damaging your heater. Before you start, make sure the heater is off, unplugged, and cool. Use a screwdriver to remove the screws from around the top of the unit. Remove the upper shell of the heater and the rear guard and set aside. Place the screws in a safe place and be careful with any sharp edges. Remove the air pressure gauge and the 4 screws on the end filter cover. Remove the 6 screws on the end pump cover. Alternate every other screw to ensure the cover comes off straight. This will expose the rotor assembly. There may be a metal plate between the end pump cover and rotor depending on your unit. If a plate is present, make sure to place it back in place when reinstalling the end pump cover. Loosen the adjustment screws about a half turn. This allows the pump body to move up and down. Using a 0.1 mm caliper gauge or a piece of paper as a spacer, gap the rotor by placing the spacer in between the rotor and the pump body. Then when the spacer is snug but can still move, retighten the 2 screws in the pump body. If the rotor and vanes look worn, cracked, or otherwise damaged, replace them to ensure proper operation of the heater. Reattach the end pump cover, tighten by hand, and alternate every other screw. If the fan blade does not spin freely, the screws are too tight and need to be reset. Reattach the end filter cover and the air pressure gauge. Replace the rear guard and upper shell. Fasten in place, alternating screws from side to side as you go. For more information or assistance on your product, contact our customer care department at 1-800-641-6996 or visit us at pinnacleclimate.com.